ant species that can cause damage to your home or business. Like termites, carpenter ants will destroy any soft or damaged wood in or around your structure. Unlike termites, they don't consume the wood but bore through it to create tunnels for easy travel from the nest to food sources. First, it's important to identify the carpenter ant. The carpenter ant is one of the largest ant species in the United States, typically between 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch long. They can range in color, but a good tell is the number of their body segments. Ants have 3 segments, where termites only have 2. Next, inspect your property for signs of carpenter ant activity. Check woody areas that hold moisture, such as around windows, door frames, plumbing under kitchen and bathroom sinks, wooden structures, and any collections of wet or dead wood. You're looking for frass, which is wood debris found near tunnels, any damaged wood that will have smooth galleries and openings, or any ant trails and activity. You can also listen for clicking or rustling noises in your walls. It might sound something like this. Once you've confirmed carpenter ant